Ndị Igbo mma Igbo ekene munu. Omu akana akpo Chief Gaius Chibueze, aka Akomani Dozie Obodo, aka Bitcoin Chief. It is a pleasure of mine to invite you to the World Igbo Congress Convention 2025, happening on the 28th of August to 31st of August at the Marriott Boston Quincy Hotel. On this day, I am going to be talking on a topic that is very, very dear to my heart: the role of the Igbo diaspora youth in the rebuilding of Ali Igbo. For so long, we have left everything that concerns our future into the hands of our fathers and our mothers. But they keep saying that the youth are the future. The time has come for those of us, especially the Igbo youth in the diaspora, to become part of what is going on in Ali Igbo. On this day, I am going to be sharing a couple of ideas of how I was able to build the largest fenced livestock farm in Ali Igbo called Ohaneze Farm. I am also going to be sharing about the Tech City Africa project and a couple of other investments I have made in Ali Igbo, and why it is important for every Igbo youth to think Ali Igbo first when they want to invest. I am inviting every one of you, if you are in the United States, anywhere you are, if you can make it to Boston on the 28th of August to 31st of August 2025, let us come together as Igbo people and speak with one voice. The time has come for us to be united in the rebuilding of Ali Igbo. If you have followed the development in Ali Igbo in the last 5-10 years, you will see that the time has come for Ndi Igbo to arise and rebuild what was once known as the fastest growing region in the world in the 1960s. It is time for every Igbo youth to ask themselves, what can I contribute to make Ali Igbo better? Every day, Ndi Igbo do wonders around the world. We are industrious, we are educated, we have revolutionary ideas, we have changed the world. But it is time to bring everything that we have used to contribute to the world to our homeland. I am inviting you. Don't just say the World Igbo Congress Convention is for old people. No. This is why we have been stuck where we are for very long. It is time for each and every Igbo youth to come together and join our hands with our elders and ask what needs to be done for the rebuilding of Ali Igbo. Let us come together. That time is now. I look forward to seeing you in Boston on the 28th of August 2025 to 31st of August 2025. If you are in the United States, read the flyer attached to this video and get your ticket and be there. I look forward to seeing you there.